Hey up me ducks, we're on the, I think I've got the 19th, yeah, the 19th walkabout, and this is Parrots Drumble in the series of my nature reserve walkabout, Staffordshire Wildlife. Now there's no sign or clear sign here at the only entry point we can find. We've had a bit of a drive round, we've come up to 500 and then up Talke Road, just parked up here on the left side. But that's the road we can go through this here gate. Yeah, so it's the 20th of September 2024 and it's looking a little bit overcast. This is next to Talke. I don't like the looks of this. Ugly. This industrial estate, but it does say that on the description. Is this a kissing gate? I don't know whether the class that is a kissing gate. Well, no signs, official information boards or signs, but that was a nice bird whistle. It was a bird whistle, it wasn't you, was it, Duck, after I kissed you? Oh yeah, as you've guessed by now, I've got my favourite company, my wife. Joined me for, this is the 4th one with me, it is, in a row. But with no Millie because we're going out for lunch. After we've done this walk. Chatterley Whitfield, I think the pub's called, which is a few miles from here. It's a nice pub we've been before. Right, I better stop recording here because there's a lady coming along, but don't do that. Right, back on, just past it. Seemed alright. Some people, they pull a face out, you know, when you're carrying this recording gear with your phone on it, especially on a gimbal or a selfie stick, which I haven't got. I haven't got a selfie stick. But yeah, this is quite steep here, down here, look, guys. So it does say it's sketch steep in parts. I'm just hoping there is a signboard somewhere. But hey, if there is, there is. And the track's alright, isn't it? Nice and dry. Up to that, I'd say you could push a pushchair in here, couldn't you? Up to that. You can hear the magpies. There's always a magpie about, isn't there? It says it's steep in parts, but we're mainly going down bank at the moment. Steep coming back. It is overcast today, nothing like yesterday, lovely. The skies were nice and clear and bright, but yeah, never mind. Nice big green fields at the side there. Swivel this round. Yeah. Just come off the beaten track, just do a little bit of the wild stuff here. Plenty of blackberry brambles. My wife patiently waiting for me. I've just noticed as well the knuckle of this gimbal's getting in the way yet again. I don't know whether I'm going to cure that today, but I'm looking into investing in a new one as soon as I've done this series of these walkabouts. And I've only got one of them left now to get up to me 20, and that's my goal achieved, which is pretty good going. Yeah, I've just noticed a knuckle. I can't actually, with this gimbal, I can't avoid it. It's a bad design, I think. No worries. Try not to spoil your viewing experience. Do my best for you. Let's be quiet a minute now. The good wife is trailing behind me today. She normally goes off in front. That's when we've got Melly and Freddie and pushchair, grandson. Still no signs yet. I'm wondering whether they're coming in from the other end. If there's another entry point. Now then. Right, Duck. Blue pill or the red pill? Right or left? Shall we do green right? Well, that can go back towards the thing. I would suggest it can go back to the industrial estate. I don't know, but I've thought about it now since I've asked you, so shall we do the left? Yeah, I think it does make more sense. Look, sorry. Yeah, so we've gone for the blue pill. We're going to the left. And I'll forget it's a blue pill. I'll probably say we've gone the red pill in a minute. Oh yeah. Pedestrian route only. Shall we go through this? Yeah. Yep. Now I don't know why that says walking return. Oh, I do. Because we've got a foul tree across the pathway, look. Yeah? In case you do decide or try and walk with a pushchair, or you wouldn't come in with a wheelchair or anything like that, would you? But you certainly try it with a pushchair. But yeah, it would start be getting awkward now. Oh, we've got squirrels on the ground here. And we've got Lyme water here, and look at the colour of this. Well, there's definitely something in the ground there, Duck, look at that. See it? I don't think I'll be paddling in that. Yeah, this Parrots Drumble Nature Reserve walk is up near towards Talke Pits. I'm doing well up to yet. The knuckle hasn't come in view. Not my knuckle, the gimbal's knuckle on the bottom right hand side of the screen. No, I won't. I've just pointed to the wife. I'll go walking up, and then I've got straight across in my path there a brambles and they rip my jeans off. I won't be doing that. God. I just can go off track of it, just get a bit of wildness on for this shoot. Never mind. I hope we've got a bit of brightness coming through here. I'll tip this up with me hand, because I don't trust the gimbal. Just to give you a shot on them grey skies. Unfortunately today I'm back down to earth. Terrifying me. Oh, I feel safer here. Right, going to take a short break, I think, sit down on this log, and then we'll have a walk around, look, see if there's any signs. It is really nice here though, isn't it? Look, it is, and it's quiet, nobody about. the way I like it. See you in a minute. Sounds like the crows have come to play. That's a bit boggy down there. Definitely need wellies around there. I wouldn't even go in it, you'd probably sink. That quicksand. I think I saw the knuckle come into shot again there. It's either if I go full swing round or up or down too much, and then the knuckle comes into view. How long would you say we've been walking if we had to stop for the shots and that? 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Yeah. So there you go, folks. If it's a steady walk coming through here, you get up to this point in about 10 minutes from the entrance point. Here we go. Oh, I was going to say the blue or the red pill. Shall we do the red to the right? What do you think? Come on, we'll go. We'll do the red pill this time. Oh, it goes on a bit, look down here, look. Right. It does say steep in places, but it's not actually coming into it. I think it's when you're going back, especially if you do this bit here. Oh, in a minute. Oh, in a minute. Oh, we've got a 40-foot drop here, Duck. No, I don't think we'll do that, Duck. We're going to slide down there. I'd do it on my own, but no. And I'm not being watched it there, but I think that's a bit too much. So we'll go the way you suggested, Duck, sorry. I have to apologise, you know, or else she'll be at me throat off camera, won't you, Duck? I don't think she will. Oh, by the way, Kaz, I forgot to tell you, watch out for the grizzly bears. Yeah, it's definitely, I think there's a pair of them, they say, roaming around. But I think it's different times of year. I think we're pretty safe in September. And some nasty squirrels, apparently. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's opening up here now, that's looking alright, isn't it? Nice, right. Quick pan around where we've walked from. I'm quite enjoying this walk, glad we're doing it. Get these walks knocked off, number 19 in the series. I think I have mentioned it. Mention it again just in case. On the 20th of September 2024, Friday. Last day of the working week. I don't work, of course. I'm retired. I've been for 12 months just over now. End of last July on my 66th birthday. Oh, how nice this is. Oh, I do like this kind of thing where you've got clearances in woods as well. Just let some light in. And as normal, the crows are making the most noise. I've heard no magpie screeching yet. Or I did it first when we first come in, but nonsense. No, it's the crow show. Well, the wife has sneaked off. Oh, she's down there. Just taking a few in video snapshots as I can do without turning the video off, the recording. And back on track. Some steps here. 3 steps. And watch out for this if you're ever doing this, what I'm doing at the minute. If you go and look at the floor, they can trip you up. The root system, when they bear up off the ground level. Be a laugh though for you, won't it? If I went arseholes, the other way. Oh, we've got a boardwalk. Let's do this. No! Knuckle, spoil that shot. And another. And up. It's all getting a bit wild, just the way I like it. It says we just try and figure out whether this is going to be a loop around walk, you know, the loop to loop, loopy loop. If I want to bite, loop the loop. That guy looked at me as if I was silly on yesterday's walk when I said, is this a loop? Monday's walk, is this a loop the loop? But I'm sure, the wife thinks differently, but I'm sure this is, we're going to have to backtrack. I'm not bothered. It's a nice enough walk to get back to the car, I mean. It's almost like, I love to see these as well, these ferns. Get a close up. I think the wife's really into this walk. She keeps going and going. We're about 20 minutes in now, I'd say, as we come up and side up against this field here. That field. Now I've switched the gimbal the right way. As far as it goes, and back and down. So I can't play them bloody video games with the what they call them, the controls. I'm hopeless. I'd be hopeless, Harris. Left, right, up, down. What do you want to do then, Duck? Do you want to start going back? I don't think this is going to loop round, Duck, honestly. I don't. Unless it starts veering off suddenly to the right. Because we're kind of coming to the end of it, aren't we? Yeah? We'll have a look. We will have a look. Here we go, me ducks. We're starting to go down bank again. You know that's a term of endearment, don't you? I'm not calling you literally ducks, anybody out the Stoke area. And it can apply to both females, males, and the wife, of course, because I've been calling a duck all the way around. As I say, a term of endearment. And some steps here, so that's good. Wife's getting quite a bit of airtime because she's in front of me. I'll take it side. I'm not saying I don't want her on it, but right. Oh, another boardwalk. Here we go. Get ready for this. And we're off. And up. Well done, Al. And a little bridge. Don't you know? This is definitely going to go round then, because you're right. One way or another, there's another bridge there. What does that go to? We're going up bank there, aren't we? We have to climb, start climbing. There's steps. There is steps. This is quite a... can't remember what size it said. I think it's about 4.5 hectares. It's not massive. And here's that lovely brown water again, look. It's definitely something that's got in the water, isn't it? There's a lot of industry around here, something seeped into it. Spillage. Industrial spillage. Not nice to see, actually. Anyway, it's the price you pay when the industry decides to live next door to you. I've can see for miles and miles and miles. Sorry. This is probably one of the longest woodland walks I've done through the whole series, which is good, coming towards the end of them. Right, it looks as if it's now starting to go hairpin to the right, because we've got to start going back before long. Don't get me wrong, it's nice, but we're all limited to time. Oh dear. This may not be a pathway, is it? Yeah, it is there. There's a bridge, thank goodness for that. Right, lean on me back then, Duck, I'm going to knock this off in case you slip. Okay, we've just navigated away down that little steep hill there, and now we're going up bank. But this, I don't know, Duck, it doesn't look too promising for a proper footpath getting back. What's that? It doesn't pay. Oh yeah, this is looking better, Duck. Are you alright? Hey? Oh yeah, this is much better. God knows how long we're going to walk though, I've got to say, before we get back. Yes! To that pathway we come down on. There's tons of wooded areas around here though. There's one just over this field here. There. And another boardwalk. Watch these roots stuff sticking up everywhere. Another boardwalk, but I'm not doing me run along on these, the only short ones. In fact, I'm not going to run on any of them anymore. Knackering me. Them are rubber. They aren't wood. Wood rots, doesn't it? So that makes sense to do that type of rubber. Back up bank. A little bit wild, I'd say. I certainly wouldn't recommend pushchairs. I don't think I'd even bring the dog. Luckily we haven't got her with us. There we go. Let's go to the side of it. Oh, there's a stile there, look. So you can go through public access across the fields there. We are obviously going... Oh, pardon? You're joking, it's been miles out the way, Duck. Way over that way. Yeah, God. We're going to end up in Congleton. Now watch this here, there's twigs and stones everywhere. This looks like as water could run down this in the depths of winter. Oh, mentioning water. That's knackered it. Yeah. We cannot walk that way, look. These aren't waterproof and you certainly don't want walking them, do you? All the way back. And you know where we are? That's this field we've just walked alongside of, and it's just looped round this bit. We're going back on there and back along the thing we were on originally.
Go on and go tell me which way.
Back there and left, look where we've come. We've got to go back tracking on ourselves. Okay, no more videoing for a while anyway. And here's one of my favourite flowers. I call it a flower, but it's part of, it does actually say a tree, but I forgot what it's called. But as I said, it's rampant, it's everywhere on most of the walks I do. They're lovely, aren't they? Minded they dying back a bit. Yeah, still nice. Okay, me ducks, I decided to do the outro here just off the track in this little alcove. We are on our way back, and we've had to double back on the track we came in on, so that was all the footage we were in when I turned it off last time. So yeah, I'll quickly say thanks for looking in again, and I hope you've enjoyed the video and all my other videos in this series. And remember, the next one is the last one in these nature reserve walkabouts. So yeah, thanks again, and till next time, take care, be good, stay healthy, bye for now.